How to create SUI wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply search for SUI wallet on the Google, and after that open up the very first link over here. It is the Google Web Store, and after that this is where it will take you, and this will basically add an extension for you so you can simply transact on SUI blockchain. So here click on add to Chrome. Since I have already added SUI wallet to my Chrome extensions, that's why it is saying as remove from Chrome, but for you it will say add to Chrome. Simply click on it and this is where it will take you. Now over here you can either use your Google account in order to sign in or a Twitch account. If you want to go with other options, simply click on more options over here, and here you get to set it up for the ledger. You can also create a new paraphrase account, and you can import your already existing account if you have that. You can also import using your private key. Simply select any of the option which is more suitable to you, and after that you can create your wallet. Let's create it using a new passphrase. So for that, simply select it. Now it will ask you to create a password for your account. After that, click on this option of create wallet. Now over here it will give you a recovery phrase. Simply see this particular recovery phrase and don't share it up with anyone. Simply write it down on a piece of paper and save it up, because this is going to be the key to recover your account whenever you lose your password or anything else, and don't share it up with anyone else out there. After you have written this particular recovery phrase, simply click on this option of I have saved my recovery phrase, then click on Open SUI Wallet, and this is how you would be able to create your SUI wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.